Hello students, good morning. This class we are going to learn about logarithmic functions. Already you know the exponential function f of x equal to a power x. This function is defined on R and the range of this function is open interval 0, infinity. So this function is a bijection function. Also it has an inverse. So this inverse function is a logarithmic function. So inverse of exponential function is logarithmic function. Very important line. Inverse of exponential function is logarithmic function. Y is equal to a power x. Logarithmic function definition. We can write this equation equivalent to log base a of y is equal to x. Log base a of y is equal to x. The log function defined only for positive real numbers. Log function only defined for positive real numbers. Already you know this value. Log 1 value is 0. Log any base you take it, log 1 value is 0. Listen the properties of logarithmic function. A power log base a of x equal to x. A power log base a of x is equal to x. For all x belongs to 0, infinity. The base value and the product of this term, that is radicand value, are equal. We get the value is x. This value we get it here. And log base a of a power y. Log base a of a power y is equal to y. Because these two terms are cancelled, we get y. For all y belongs to R. And the second result, log base a of xy. This one already you know this rule, product rule. Log base a of xy is equal to log base a of x plus log base a of y. For all x, y greater than 0, only we take the positive numbers. And the third result is log base a of x by y is equal to log base a of x minus log base a of y. This is the quotient rule. Multiplication, addition part, and the division is, we find out the subtraction. Then fourth result is log base a of x power r is equal to r into log base a of x. This is the power rule. For all x greater than 0 and r belongs to, you take the real numbers. And the fifth result, we want the changes in the base value, we can take this result. Log base b of x equal to, we want the base value is a. So we rearrange this term, log base a of x by log base a of b. Log base a of x by log base a of b. This is the change of base formula for all x greater than 0. See the remark of a logarithmic function. Common logarithmic is take the base value is 10. Log base 10 of x. This is the common logarithm. And the natural logarithmic function is we take the base is e. Log base e of x. E is the irrational number. This e is approximately equal to 2.718. And the binary logarithmic function is base value is 2. Log base 2 of x, which is used in computer science. Now I'll explain some example problems. Example 2.34. Find the logarithm of 1728 to the base 2 root 3. 1728 to the base 2 root 3. Okay. So we take log base 2 into root 3 of 1728 is equal to x. Or this like you read it. Log 1728 to the base 2 root 3. Okay. We take the value is equal to x. Now we use this result. Log y to the base a is equal to x. Then y is a power x. So we apply this result. Base is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 the whole power x equal to, take this two terms, left side, right side is 1728. and 2 root 3 the whole power x. We write the right side value into this form, 2 root 3 the whole power x. So you find out the LCM of 1728. Already you know the LCM part. Then you find out the LCM of 1728. We get 2 6 times and the 3 is 3 times. But we want the power is only one number x. So we convert this 3, that is exponent this 3 also we converted 6. So we can write 3 is root 3 the whole power 6. So 2 power 6 into root 3 the whole power 6, the power values are equal. Then write the product of the term, 2 root 3 the whole power 6. Now equating both sides. So x value is 6. X is log base 2 root 3 of 1728. So that value is equal to 6. Listen the next question. Example 2.35. If the logarithm of 324 to base a is 4, then find a. 324 to base is a is equal to 4, then find the value of a. So the given value is log 324 to the base a is equal to 4. So we apply the same result, a and 4 we can use it left side. So a power 4 is equal to 324. Convert this 324 the power of 4. So find out the LCM of 324. We get 2 times and the 3 is 4 times. 3 is here also having the index is 4. 3 also having the index 4. So no problem. But this 2 is 2 times. So we converted. The power is 4 times we wanted. So we write 2 is root 2. The whole power 4. So a power 4 is equal to root 2 the whole power 4 into 3 power 4. So which can be written as 3 root 2 the whole power 4. So equating both sides, we get the a value is 3 root 2. Listen the next question. Example 2.36. Prove log 75 by 16 minus 2 log 5 by 9 plus log 32 by 243 is equal to log 2. Take the left hand side. Left hand side is log 75 by 16 minus 2 log 5 by 9 plus log 32 by 243. Already know m log a is equal to log a power. We take m is the index. So log a power m. So this result you can substitute here. So 2 log 5 by 9 is log 5 by 9 the whole square. Okay. Next we substitute the product rule and the quotient rule. Product rule is addition is we take in the multiplication and the subtraction is division. So log, these two terms are addition terms. So write in bracket inside, you find out the product of the two terms, 75 by 16 into 32 by 243. And subtraction is given the second term. So divided by 5 by 9, the whole square is 5 by 9 into 5 by 9. So log of 75 by 16 into 32 by 243, write the reciprocal of the denominator. So 9 by 5 into 9 by 5, we cancelled all the terms, balances we get 2. So log 2 is the right hand side answer, log 2. Next question, example 2.37. If log x to the base 2 plus log x to the base 4 plus log x to the base 16 is equal to 7 by 2, find the value of x. Write the given value, log x to the base 2 plus log x to the base 4 plus log x to the base 16 is equal to 7 by 2. See the base values 2, 4 and 16. But these terms are equal, x. So we change the log values using this result. We want all the base values are same. So we can use log a to the base b is equal to 1 by log b to the base a. Okay. If we take the reciprocal, the base are changed. So 1 by log 2 to the base x plus 1 by log 4 to the base x plus 1 by log 16 to the base x equal to, we get 7 by 2. Okay. So only we apply this result and write the reciprocal, the base value also changed. So 1 by log 2 to the base x plus here x power 4, we can write 2 square, 16 is 2 power 4. So 2 square is log a power m is m log a. So here we get it 2 into log 2 to the base 6. Here we get it 4 into log 2 to the base 4. So we take a. So if you substitute a is equal to log 2 to the base x, the terms are 1 by a plus 1 by 2a plus 1 by 4a is equal to 7 by 2. Find out the LCM of the denominator. LCM is 4a. So the numerator is 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 2. Find out the addition of the numerator is 7. Denominator is 4a. Right side 7 by 2. So 7 and 7 cancelled. We get 1 by 4a is equal to 1 by 2. So 4a is 2. A value is 2 by 4. Then we get a is 1 by 2. So a is 1 by 2, but a value is log 2 to the base x. Already we consider the a value is log 2 to the base x. Okay, so log 2 to the base x equal to 1 by 2. Then we apply the first property. X power 1 by 2 is equal to, we get this 2. X power 1 by 2, base and the right side value. X power 1 by 2 is equal to, we get this 2. Okay, so x is 1 by 2, we take right side, so 2 square. X equal to 2 square, so the value of x is 4. Example sum, example 2.38. Solve x power log x to the base 3 is equal to 9. Solve x power log x to the base 3 is equal to 9. Take the power value is y. Log x to the base 3 is equal to y. Substitute this result. Log y to the base a is equal to x implies a power x equal to y. So here we get it 3 power y is equal to x. Take this is the first equation. Substitute this value in the question. So x power log x to the base 3 is equal to 9 implies this x place we substitute 3 power y, and already you took y is equal to log x to the base 3. So 3 power y into y we get it is equal to right side value 9, and 3 power y into y is y square is equal to right side also write in power form 3 square. So comparing both sides we get y square is equal to 2. So what's the value of y? Y is equal to plus or minus root 2. So substitute again the value the first equation. So x is 3 power root 2 and x is 3 power minus root 2. Next question, example 2.39. Compute log 5 to the base 3, log 27 to the base 25. Compute the value. Listen the solution. Log 5 to the base 3 and log 27 to the base 25. It can be written as log 5 to the base 3 into this 27 is we can write 3 cube. Okay, 27 is write 3 cube. So log 5 to the base 3 into log a power m is m log a. So 3 log 3 to the base 25. We use the property log a power m is equal to m log a. Take the power in the coefficient. So 3 log 3 to the base 25. Now this 3 we take first. So log 5 to the base 3 into log 3 to the base 25 is equal to the reducing form as log 5 to the base 25. This 3 and 3 cancelled. We get 3 into log 5 to the base 25. So 3 into write the reciprocal, then only we reduce this term. So 1 by log 25 to the base 5. Here log 5 to the base 25. We can write 1 by log 25 to the base 5. So 3 into log this 25 is 5 square. Again we substitute the same result. Log a power m is equal to m log a. So here we get it log 5 square is 1 by 2 log 5 to the base 5. But already you know the result. Log a to the base a is 1. Log a to the base a is 1. So log 5 to the base 5 is 1. So the balance value is 3 by 2. This is the answer of the question. The last question, example 2.40. Given that log 2 to the base 10 is equal to 0.30103 and log 3 to the base 10 is equal to 0.47712. find the number of digits in 2 power 8 into 3 power 12. You find the number of digits only. So the given term is 2 power 8 into 3 power 12. You take the log. So log of 2 power 8 into 3 power 12 is equal to, substitute the product rule, log AB is equal to log A plus log B. So we can write log 2 power 8 plus log 3 power 12. Log 2 power 8 is, we get log A power m is m log A. So 8 log 2 plus 12 log 3. And 8 into the given value. This is the common logarithm value. Log 2 to the base 10. Here we substitute the value 0.30103 plus 12 into log 3 value also given in your question. You substitute the value. 12 into 0.47712. So product of this two term is 2.40824 plus the product of this two term is 5.72544. We add these two numbers. We get 8.13368. 8.13368. Here we get 8 point something. 9 digits are having in the number. Then only we take the log value is 8 point something. Okay. If the number of digits is 9, then the log value is, we start 8 point. After we use the logarithmic tabular column, find out the value. So now we get it 8.13368. So the number of digits is 9. Thank you, students.